stage winner in the Tour de France. Advantage now of 6 seconds on the peloton. Bardet drops his way back through the groups now. There's a Roglic fan at the side of the road. 3 kilometres to go. 4 riders being tailed off. Roglic still in the ascendancy in this race. Can he stay away? It's a solo time trial for the winner of La Vuelta. Resplendent in that red jersey. Roglic checks over his shoulder again. 7 seconds into Marche. Looked to have this under control, but you never know with Primož Roglic. Vinokurov is there for Cavendish. Cavendish on the wheel of Girmay. Just behind Cavendish's Ballerini. 2.4 kilometres to go. The red car appears through the Super Arena, matching the colours of Primož Roglic this afternoon. Despite this, it looks like they are bringing it back. Well, Mark Cavendish coming to the end of his career here wearing number 35 in the colours of Astana, Kazakhstan, matching that momentous moment where he won the 35th stage to go ahead of Eddie Merckx. Roglic goes through the Super Arena for the final time. 6 seconds now the lead. Philipsen is moving up. Roglic moves the bike up a little bit into that very wet corner. Bernard's also near the front. Only 1,600 metres now remain in the Tour de France BSAITAMA Criterium. Roglic with a slender advantage, splashing his way towards the conclusion of this Criterium, the 10th edition, where we bring all the Tour de France riders to Japan and delight the fans who have had a nice spectacle this afternoon despite the conditions. 1,300 metres to go. They come up, they'll take that final big turn back on themselves, and then they'll get the red kite. Roglic locks it up a little bit this time, into the corner. And now they've got safe roads to race on. Roglic checks over the shoulder and another big acceleration. 1,000 metres to go for Primož Roglic. There he is, still with the lead intact. Now for the sprinters left it a little bit late. Roglic still has a lead as he takes the right-hander after 1 hour and 34 minutes of racing. Cavendish is up there getting ready. Girmay is ready, so is Philipsen. Roglic looks around, checks over his shoulder. Another big move as he goes downhill now. He's almost there. Ballerini gets ready for Cavendish. Roglic is nearly at the conclusion of this race, and he's still in the lead, but here goes the attacks of the sprinters now as they get ready. Roglic is just about to be caught, or is he? The camera will shorten this little lead he's got, but it looks like as he checks over his shoulder, 250 metres to go. Here come the sprinters. Can Roglic hold on? Girmay gets set. 1 hour and 35 minutes of racing. Here goes Biniam Girmay. Cavendish on the left-hand side. Roglic looks over his shoulder. Girmay is going to fire now in the green jersey. Roglic is almost there, but isn't quite. Here goes Biniam Girmay. Right on the line. The green jersey takes it. Biniam Girmay wins the Tour de France BSAITAMA Criterium. The delight of the Japanese fans, and all the Eritreans are here as well. Roglic almost held on. A rain Criterium, 1 Gamai of Tour of Intermarché wanting. Left it late though, didn't he? Maybe a little bit later than he hoped. Let's take a look here. Gamai times it to perfection. Cavendish on the wheel. And right across the line it was Gamai from Roglic, Cavendish, Philipsen. We'll just take a look at the photograph and see the order. Confirmation that BM Gamai wins the Tour de France JCOM Saitama Criterium. Maybe not the conditions he was